Hello all, in this video we will inbuild the grammar. First one is modal verb. Can plus verb 1 or be able to plus verb 1. Example, she can solve this problem. He can understand the situation. He can come earlier in the morning. She is able to solve this problem. He is able to communicate well in English. Second thing is simple future tense. We can categorize the simple future tense into three different types. First one is will or shall plus verb 1. When we state a decision at the time of speaking and also we can't control the situation, that refers to the future actions. Example, there is someone knocking at the door. I will open it. What would you like to have? I will have coffee. It's late. I think I will go to bed. I will take examination next week. The second type is going to plus verb 1. When we have any intention or determination in that situation, we can use going to plus verb 1. Example, I am going to visit Kerala next month. I am going to buy a new car. Your scooty is dirty, so I'm going to clean it. The third type is present continuous tense, which means am, is, or plus verb plus ing. When we have any intention and arrangement, which means fully planned actions, in that situation we can use present continuous tense. Example, we are meeting our manager tomorrow. I am buying an apartment next year. I am attending my friend's housewarming ceremony next week.